Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Friday, December 5. Government will be spending $75 million on a short-term intervention program for vulnerable persons. During this Tuesday sitting of the House of Representatives, Labour and Social Security Minister Derek Kelly said the initiative is in response to the economic challenges being faced by vulnerable groups. A similar allocation was made in 2013 and Minister Kelly said funds had been provided in the ministry's budget to finance this year's program.
In implementing this program, the same methodology used last year will be adopted. Each member of parliament will again be allocated $1 million and will receive a letter that provides details of the project along with the prescribed form for the submission of beneficiaries' names and projects.
The intervention program will be undertaken during the remainder of the financial year, and all MPs must make their recommendations to the Ministry of Labour by March 2015. The recommendations are to be sent directly to the Permanent Secretary, who will direct social workers to ensure the projects are productive and beneficial. Government and several private sector partners have opened the first of 3 plastic recycling depots under the Recycle Now Jamaica project. On Thursday, the Trinity Port Maria Recycling Depot was opened. It has the capacity to produce 160 bales or 768,000 bottles per month. 2 more depots will be opened at Lyndhurst Road in Kingston and Martins Hill, Manchester. The project is being managed by Recycling Partners of Jamaica Limited, a non-profit organization formed by representatives of a public-private sector partnership to build and support national awareness of the need to recycle. A primary goal is to recover and recycle 35% of the polyethylene terephthalate PET bottles that enter the market by the 3rd year of the organization's operations.
I endorse this project as the protection of the environment plays an integral role in the development of communities for now, with sustainability for the future.
Minister of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Philip Paulwell has reaffirmed government's commitment to implement number portability in Jamaica by May 31 next year.
We have gazetted now all the rules governing portability. I have mandated the OUR and all the providers that come May 31, 2015, we will have full portability, and it will involve not only mobile but fixed networks as well.
Minister Paulwell was speaking on Tuesday at an Information and Communications Technology seminar held at the University of Technology. Number portability allows mobile and fixed telephone users to retain numbers assigned to them even if they switch service providers. The Technology Minister said this was important to improving the country's business competitiveness. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining is considering incentives to increase the pool of young persons entering the fields of science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Portfolio Minister Philip Paulwell says the option of funding is being considered in a bid to maintain the supply of teachers and professionals in these areas.
We have to find a way to provide some special scholarships. And when you get to universities, to see how we can get the Students' Loan Bureau to probably look at 100% funding over other subjects.
He says greater involvement and focus on science and innovation is integral to national development. Minister Paulwell was speaking at the opening ceremony for the Science in the Park Expo, put on by the ministry in partnership with the Scientific Research Council and the National Commission on Science and Technology. And finally, Water Minister Robert Pickersgill is warning persons found making illegal connections to pipelines that they will be prosecuted. The minister was in central Westmoreland last week at a ceremony where the Barneside tank was commissioned into service after being rehabilitated. He insisted that the NWC could not afford to continue to lose revenue or suffer damage to its infrastructure by persons who refuse to pay their bills or illegally cut into the supply pipelines.
Let me just say it for everyone to hear. Whether you're rich, poor or in between, if you receive water, you must pay your bills. And very shortly the NWC will be involved in a massive drive to collect monies owed to it.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.